To subscribe to our memberships, go to Yaonology.com. At the home page, click Start 30-day free trial, or pricing. Next, subscribe to the strategy that suits your need. At the bottom of the checkout page, you may fill in your TradingView username if you have one. Don't worry if you don't have a TradingView account. Our support team will assist you in creating a TradingView account and open your access to Yaonology trading strategies through TradingView.com. You will receive a confirmation email once we open your access to Yaonology trading strategies. Now, you can go to TradingView.com. Click Chart. In the search bar, type SPY. Choose the first one in the search results. Don't forget to choose one day to view the daily index price. Next, click Indicators. Open Invite-Only Scripts. Click Yaonology SPY Strategy. You can see a new chart with buying and selling points. Buying points are indicated by blue text. Selling points are indicated by pink text. The last step is to set alert so you won't miss the buy or sell signal. Click Alert. Set the condition to Yaonology SPY strategy and customize your alert actions. Please note that alerts have 2 months expiration time. You need to reactive alerts every 2 months. Click Create. Continue anyway. You can find your alert on the right side. For the Bitcoin strategy, search Bitcoin in the search bar and select Crypto Bitfinex. Follow the same steps as you did when setting up S&P 500 strategy. Choose one day to view the daily index price. Click Indicators. Open Invite-Only Scripts. Click Yaonology Bitcoin strategy. Lastly, click Alert. Set the condition to Yaonology Bitcoin strategy and customize your alert actions. Click Create. You can find your alert on the right side. You are all set. Get ready to trade with Yaonology algorithm strategy.